Hi, I'm Nick DeGiorgia. I'm an instructor here at the Gene Haas Center for Advanced Manufacturing in the Advanced Manufacturing Technology program. Here we are in our senior CNC lab. We have students working on Haas TL lathes. They're working on threading and turning projects, doing some NC programming. And then we also have some students working on their final senior capstone project, which is a double helix DNA strand. We have mostly mills over here on this side, 3-axis mills with 4th-axis capabilities. We have 2 5-axis machines. Over on this side, we have TL tool room lathes from Haas and 1 slant bed Haas lathe with live tooling. We cover everything from NC programming to programming with Mastercam, which is a computer-aided manufacturing programming software. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the program.